Hey everyone, welcome back to Secure 7. This is Baz and we have the 100 day 100 machine challenge and our new machine which is Odin. Here is the downloadable link and here is the descriptions. You can add the host in the host file and also. And let's go to the machine. This is the machine running on the VMware workstation and it's a Linux based system. Close this and opening our Kali Linux for the recon process and exploitation process. And here I use reconnaissance part, which is recon the information about the machine, what port is open, and how we can exploit this machine. Here I find the IP first part of the I find the IP address of machine, which is 192.168.5.153, and we use the Nmap for the network for the port scanning. And here is the port 80 is open and there will be Apache server, and here is the WordPress version is 5.5.3. so now let's we check it out the WordPress here, but first we have to add the host in the host file. So let's we opening our host file. And here is the our host file, and I already added the host here, which is our IP address and host name. Okay, so let's we see in the browser. Go to the browser and let's see what is here. Go to the browser and just type Odin. Okay, it will be redirect to the Google form. So let's we type the IP address 192.168.5.153 here and hit enter, and let's see what is on the port 80. And here is some of the website, just another Jolma site. This is the simple page 2020 404 template 404.php and by Odin 5th of December 2020. No comments. Okay. And there is here some of the encrypted form here. So let's we copy this and just go to the terminal. I have already solved this, so let's echo here, and this is the base 32 encrypted. So hit enter and decrypt this line. So here is the GitHub link, which is redirect to the rocky.txt, which we have already in our machine. So let's this is the WordPress file. So let's we trying to do WordPress login, admin login. So here is the WordPress login page is here, and there is a admin. We try the admin here, and the password we have not any password. So let's try the WordPress scan, and here I type the URL, which is http Odin here, and password is here, which is we put the rocky.txt, and usernames here, which is admin, and hit enter, and WordPress is starting to scanning the website and finding the password of admin, trying to brute force in the WordPress. method of the our admin page, which is query. Okay, so let's retry the query and log in into the WordPress admin page, and it's working. Now here is the part we have the exploitation part. So here we use the privilege escalations with using the shell upload file. We use the MSF console for the login here. Go to the terminal, go to the new shell. First we root the shell. So here is our MSF console is ready. So first we clear this all the mashup. We are use the exploit, which is a WordPress admin shell upload. So exploit here, Unix here, web app, admin, shell upload. Okay, so we use this here, and now payload configure default to PHP reverse shell. Here is already payload is here. Okay, so we just options here and just put all the options here and set all the set all the options. So let's we first set the R host. Our R host is 192.168.5.153 is our R host. Next we have username. Okay, so let's we use set the username, and it will be a admin. Admin is a username. Set the password. Password is our password is query is our password, and all set. We set all the options here, which is we use the username, our host, and password. Also we set the password. Okay, so let's we exploit this and we see it's working or not. Uploading payload, and here connection is open. Okay, session 1 is open here, which is connected to the vulnerable machine. So let's we use the shell here, and we use the who-am-I here to find who is the here www.data here. So let's we go to the directory here, ls. So here we have the www temporary data here. So here we go to the cd www ls here, cd html here, ls here, and there is a many pages are here, which is config. We use the config file, which is cat config.php here, and here we have some root here. So let's we copy this here, go to the Linux, go to your terminal, clear this all, And here in the config file we have the root hash password. So let's we crack this root hash password. First we store in the file, it is cat pass here, and it will be pasted here. And it will be a John. We use the John here for cracking the password. And put it our file which is pass here and hit enter. Let's see it's cracking this or not. And we let's try to crack this file in the here have a md hash here. Okay, so here is working on it. We use the crack station here to crack this password. Okay, so we cannot use the crack station here. We have the password which is this main is our password. So let's we copy this and let's we try to sue this here. We sue here and password. We have the password is main, and let's we move am I here. We are root. So cd/root here, ls here. Use the id, also use id to check the we are root or not. So here cd run. Okay, it's a file which is a and here congratulations, have a nice day. And there is some hash here, like a flag here. We have the root flag, and this machine is complete. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more machines. We back with the new machine with a new challenge.